Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And for you, hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And for you Bermuda boys, there it goes. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. And for you Bermuda boys, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Now what do you think about those stripes right there? Look at that ryegrass. That ryegrass is still popping, man. Look at that. Cut there in the morning. But look, I sod cut this right here. Look at there. Look at the difference in the color where it's started stressing out on me. So what happened was I had all this cut. Oh, that's a cool blue out there. Fescue bluegrass mix. It was cut, ready to go. The fellow that was supposed to come get it didn't show, so I mean that's fine, no big deal. This right here was the all fescue right here, and my buddy from Georgia come down and I screwed that up. Well, he didn't bring a big enough trailer. So he got about 500 square foot of sod right here, and then I sent him home with a couple of bags of grass seed to make up for my mistake. So at least he'd get something for his trip up here and get the amount of grass that I told him I had. And I guess you're wondering what's wrong with my jacked up sod cutting job right here. Well, the fact is it's a jacked up sod cutting job. I mean, look, that's rooted right there. First time ever cutting sod, so you know, it is what it is. Now, one good thing that kind of come out in my favor by that fella not getting that sod up there, obviously the ryegrass was staying anyway, and then this just didn't work out right. Look, I don't have to buy nowhere near as much dirt to fill this back in. I'm only about that deep, 2,000 square feet. So that's not going to be a tremendous amount of dirt, nothing like I had before, because obviously I've got to fill this back in to flatten it back out. So I know there's a lot of different guys doing YouTube videos and showing this grass and where I might be a little bit different. I got 2 or 3 grasses that I'm showing you. Fescue at my house, got some Kentucky bluegrass at the house, and this right here is about to be Bermudagrass. So yeah, I've been growing Bermuda for about 10 years professionally here at my company. Big athletic fields, Bermuda yards, residentials. In the past, you've always heard me talk down on it. Satan grass, devil grass, all that kind of thing. Well, it still is when it's in my yard or when it's in fescue and you don't want it there. But a stand of Bermuda grass in a yard, 100% Bermuda, it's going to look really good. I'm going to show you how to make it look really good. Matter of fact, we may even do a little striping on some Bermuda. And yeah, I know they talk about Bermuda don't stripe. Well, you know, I'm a striping guy, so we're gonna see what happens with that. One thing I will do is I will be very overly anal and overly clear on what turf type I'm working with when I'm making videos, simply because you go to mixing warm season and cool season herbicides and get a little confused, you'll go start jacking things up for sure. So I'm gonna be incredibly forthright, and it almost may seem a little rude, but I wanna make sure you know when you're watching me what grass type I'm working on. So if you're searching for a renovation video and you're looking to go from whatever you have to a cool season turf, meaning fescue, bluegrass, rye, something like that, This ain't that video. This ain't that video. This ain't that video. This is not that video. This video is a Bermudagrass renovation, okay? Meaning we are going to smoke this off. All this pretty fescue and bluegrass and rye, it's gone. And we are going to replace it with Bermudagrass. So, I want to make that very clear. This is a Bermudagrass video. GCI Heat Wave is one of our new grass seeds. It's a Bermudagrass seed, a 3-way mix on the product page. You can check it out. I got 3 super good varieties in there, real dark green. You can mow them a little tight. And I'll link all that up in the description if you're interested. When exactly do you do a Bermudagrass renovation? Well, here's my take on it and the way we do it. Bermudagrass is a warm season turf. Okay, you got warm season, cool season. All your fescues and bluegrass and rye, they're cool season. Things like Bermudas, zoysia, St. Augustine centipede, they're warm season. Totally and completely opposite each other. It's no different than a polar bear versus a black bear. Polar bear is going to thrive and do well in a cold climate, cooler climate. Black bear can withstand that heat a little bit better, right? Grass types ain't no different. Warm season turf thrives during the hot summer. When it's hot, warm season turf. Cool season turf thrives during the cooler part of the year. Cool season turf. Now there is a little disclaimer to that. You can have cool season turf in a warm environment. Right here in North Carolina, we get, you know, low 90s, mid 90s for a month in the summertime. There's fescue yards everywhere. So that doesn't mean the cool season is specifically for nothing but a cold climate. You can have, you know, a little bit of cool season where it's warm to a certain extent. Now one thing it won't work, this is my opinion, is having a warm season grass far north. You guys have those long, brutal winters, man, that stuff can beat that Bermuda up. You guys have short summers, so man, you ain't really got time to get that Bermuda up and running and woke up and, you know, doing what it wants to do. But with that said, I have been up north. I've been as far as Mishawaka, Indiana, and I saw Bermudagrass up there. Chances are those folks don't get to enjoy their Bermuda quite as much as I would, because it doesn't hang around as long before it goes dormant. But, you know, it is what it is. So step number 1 in my Bermuda renovation. I've always liked to use the phrase smoke it off. I just think it sounds pretty cool, but we're gonna spray this down with glyphosate, Roundup. I want it dead as a hammer, right? I want it completely gone. So I've got about 6,500 square foot right here roughly. I'm gonna use my Strom sprayer and my sprayer nozzle assembly for the Strom, and I'll be able to spray this in about 6 or 8 minutes. Now get on my email list and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All that's in the description below how to do that. We're gonna give away 5 of these battery powered sprayers with my nozzle assembly to 5 different winners, but you gotta be on those 2 lists right there in order for me to pick the winner from. That didn't sound right. I'm not gonna actually pick a winner. I'm gonna do one of them random generator thingamajiggies. Now on those 5 sprayer giveaways, that's going to be sometime roughly around the end of May 2020. A company from Canada come in and bought all of them to spray disinfectant for the virus, so they're out of stock right now. So if you order one, just know that we're holding that order, and the second they're back in stock, we'll send it right to your front door, and that's when we'll do the drawing as well, is when we have them back in stock. Now again, step 1, Roundup. I had natural adjuvant in there. That adjuvant's going to make that Roundup work a lot faster, much more effective. A lot of folks don't think about an adjuvant with Roundup, but we've got a 300-gallon tank up here in the shop that we pre-mix Roundup and adjuvant. Go ahead and adjust the pH and add the adjuvant. and then it circulates amongst itself with a pump up there. And then the guys, when they come in, they'll fill up their sprayer, their backpack sprayer, right from that pre-mix setup station that I got. Super efficient, saves a lot of time for you business owners. So again, we'll make this very clear. This is a Bermudagrass renovation. We're killing the fescue and the bluegrass and the ryegrass. We're smoking it off and replacing it with Bermudagrass. Now, one of the coolest things about Bermuda is my personal opinion. I think it's the, hands down, it's the easiest turf grass to grow. You know, I kind of thought this was going to be a sad day, to be honest with you, but I'm pretty dang excited. I'm really pumped up to get out here and get me my real mower going and put my little, I need to work on my lob wedge game a little bit. So I'm gonna put me a little chipping area up there. I can probably get about 100 yards right here, so I may go back to a sand wedge back there. I'll have to come over the building with it to hit the green, and then I'm gonna probably do a lob wedge down here at the end of the parking lot. So that'll be pretty cool. We're gonna kind of set it up. I'm not building a golf green, but it's gonna be a Bermuda yard, but we're gonna cut it short enough where you might think it is a golf green. So anyway, thank you for watching. I'll check you later.